Hi, my name is Kate and I'm here with my Sezane Archive sale haul. I'm so excited to show you what I got. If you don't know about the Sezane Archives, it is a clearance sale that Sezane does twice a year. They normally don't do any sort of discount or coupon. I think the last thing that they did was in April for Easter. But it's just something that is crazy. People go nuts over it, and I wanted to show you what I got. If you wanted to learn more about the archive sale, I actually have a video that I'm uploading at the exact same time as this one. I'm going to link that in the notes below. And I will show you a screen recording of everything they had in the sale, including the discount, and then how the sale works. So if you want to participate in the next one, which I highly recommend you should because it's super fun, you can maybe be ready and get the items that you want. And I thought I would share what I got along with like the sizes and stuff, just in case it's something that you come across in your secondhand shopping. I think Sezane secondhand is an amazing deal, so I would definitely go for that. And I'm also gonna have a blog post because it annoys me so much when I'm watching a video and I can't shop that exact item. So I'm gonna have a blog post along with some of the similar links linked below, but I like the blog post because you can see what I consider similar or just other items that I think are stunning that have the same feeling or vibe. So yeah, check that out below too. So without further ado, I'm going to start with the first thing I got. So Sezane, the archives are released on Wednesday mornings along with that's usually just when Sezane releases their stuff. So on Wednesday mornings along with like restocks and anything like new. So Wednesday at 10 a.m. their time, which is 4 a.m. my time, so yes, I was up that early, but I scored some great pieces. So the first week, the first release of the archives, I got this beautiful dress called the Agathe dress, and it is this beautiful silk black dress with an open back. I'm going to do a cutaway with how this looks on, but I absolutely love this. I think it's so beachy and pretty. You'll see on that I have to do a little bit of tailoring to it, but it's something that I think is absolutely beautiful. I really love a nice black dress, and this is something that I'm going to wear forever, and I'm really looking forward to wearing it on date nights when it is super hot outside. It's going to be just a great piece that I'm going to have in my wardrobe forever. And this is the spicy little Agathe dress. You can see this fabric is super light. I love it. It is revealing, so it is definitely a no bra situation, but I actually feel really comfortable in it that way. And that's coming from someone who like breastfed 2 kids fairly recently, so I think that's saying a lot. I do have to get it tailored because you can see that it gapes here and there especially. I'm not sure why it gapes so much on that side. I was trying to retie it to see if that fixed it, but it doesn't. It has this really lovely peplum that comes up in the middle, and the same with in the very front, so that's mirrored down there, and then it has this slip underneath. I really love how boho it is. Like, it's really cute with the tassels, if you can see there. And then you can see the back, you can tie right there. So I think it's really cute. It's really light and summery, and I'm just excited to wear it on a beach. On a lovely hot date night, and I'm gonna just go get that little part tailored and it'll be good to go. The next thing I'm going to show you is what I had taken on my cart the first week, and I completely regretted it, so I was like super happy that it came back in, and it is called the Adeline blouse, and it is this stunning bright red silk and lace top. You can see the lace detail here, and it's just absolutely beautiful. This top that I'm wearing right now is called the Ninon, and it is my first purchase from Sezane. I got it in their October store, and I was just addicted to the store afterwards. I think the lace is absolutely like beautiful. It is soft. It is amazing quality, and hooked on Sezane after that. So I think this is the same quality. I think this is just beautiful. The best part is the back. You can see that there's a bow, and it is just so pretty. So I love this one. It is a size 38 French, which is a size 6 US. I'm usually a size 4 in Sezane, but under their sizing tab, when you look at their items, they tell you whether to size up or not. And they told you to size up. I usually don't when they say that because I'm not in between sizes. But I did this way because this is the only size available. And I'm actually really happy I did. You'll see what it looks like on, and it fits me perfectly. And this is the Adeline blouse. I'm so in love with it. It is 100% silk, and so it's super comfortable. And I really love the detail of the hem. It's kind of like almost like a scallop natural lace hem. You can see how beautiful that is. And this is what it looks like tucked in. I'll untuck it for you, but I just want to show you the back because it is so pretty. Have you ever seen such a pretty back? I just absolutely love it. It has this pleat in the middle, so it's like supposed to be a little bit blouse in. And I just love this detail. It is so beautiful. It's just like a little gift. It reminds me so much of like a nice holiday outfit. And then here, let me untuck the blouse for you. And then yeah, let's untuck the blouse, show you the length of it. I 100% recommend this one. Sorry, I'm trying not to shake it so much. This blouse, if you see it secondhand, it is so nice. And yes, go up a size because I think this is just perfect. Love and love and love and love. I forgot to mention the price of the Agathe dress. It was originally at $195 USD and I got it for $150. And the blouse here, I got it for $95 USD and it was originally $120. So I'll talk definitely more about discounts because there's some a big range of discounts in my other video and there's some amazing deals to be had. Next up is the Arielle necklace, and I remember this necklace from their holiday collection last year. So I had just gotten the Nina in person in October, November, and I wanted to order online, but I hadn't done that because everything comes from France, and so I was nervous about it. So anyway, this is something I had my eye on, and it is this really beautiful charm necklace, and I just think it's so charming and so pretty. It had a matching bracelet that was also went up on the archives, but I didn't snap that up. That was like sold out by the time I got to it, but I absolutely love this necklace. I'll show you what it looks like on. I think it's very pretty, and I think I'm gonna wear it all the time. I was already wearing it today for a photo shoot with my family, so I think it's absolutely beautiful. I'm so happy to have it finally in my collection. Okay, and then this is the Ariel necklace from Sezane. I absolutely love gold. This shirt has gold in it. I'm not sure if you can see. This is the bee blouse from Sezane. This is the Celeste dress from Sezane. So love gold. If you love anything shimmery, I highly recommend all of these pieces. But I think this charm necklace is just so, so pretty. Let me see if I can get you a better detail. You can see all the pretty details of the charms. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And then the last thing I got is the Nicola handbag. Oh, I just love it. This is a leather round handbag. Sorry, I had to like give it a moment. I used to work at Winners, TJ Maxx, like that kind of place, but it had like really nice luxury bags that came in and I would put them out and I would just hug them because I love handbags so much. I think these are just beautiful. So anyway, this has been haunting me for a while. It was actually in October. I was actually in New York last October. My husband and I seem to go every year now because he has a conference there. So I was there and this was there and I just didn't pull the trigger, and I'm actually glad that I waited because I got it for a discount. So this is normally $240 USD and I got it for $190, which I thought was a great deal. It's a beautiful round handbag called the Necklace bag. They have a necklace wallet. It has this really pretty chain detail, which the chain is just so beautiful and glittery and pretty. I have the Hope bag from Sezane, and it's the same thing. Their chains are basically jewelry, so they add to any outfit. And yeah, it fits a surprising amount inside of it because it's a round bag, and I don't know, that's kind of like a funny purchase to make, but definitely adds to, the shape definitely adds. You can see how my phone just fits right in there easily. The shape definitely adds to any outfit too. There's a zippered pocket, and that's it. I don't have my wallet with me to show you, but I can do a proper review video on this one for you soon. This is what the necklace looks like on. You can see that the chain is so shiny, and I love how it looks on. I think it's so nice to have a circle bag. I think they're classic, and I think they just add to your outfit. Makes me feel like a cool chic person. So that's impressive. But I absolutely love it, and I can't wait to wear this out on date nights. I think it's stunning. And that's it. That was my video. I hope you enjoyed my Sezane haul. I hope you maybe find something in comparison that you like in my links below. And I hope you're ready for the next one. Watch my other video, like I said. I think I have some really good tips in there, and I'm really excited to shoot that video. I'm shooting it right after this, and yeah, I'm gonna upload it at the same time, so I hope you enjoy that. If you shopped the Sezane archives, please let me know what you got. I love shopping, like hearing everyone else's shopping stories. I think it's super fun. Connect with me here or Instagram. I'm there too at Kait Bos, and I'll have that link below. And have a good day. Like this video if you liked it, and subscribe if you want to see more.